I was looking at something and it was in size L, and the store owner just comes to me, "You're not L." Somebody's having real great difficulty eating with chopsticks. 안녕하세요. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 4 in Seoul. So the last one day went in traveling, 2 days went in rain, and we did a lot of things yesterday. We went to the skin clinic, we went to do our hair. By the way, Dylan looks very good after a haircut. So
I always look good, but okay.
please. Finally today the sun is out, it looks beautiful, and we are on our way to do some touristy things. So far we've just been using the opportunity, as in because it was raining, right? There was nothing to do, so we were going to all these neighborhoods where you can shop quite a lot, and we did shop quite a lot. So today we're gonna do some touristy stuff and I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go! So I will post everything anyway, but at the airport we took this unlimited travel card and really having fun with the public transport system. But not a lot of tourists we have seen on the public transport, so it's like everyone's Korean and then it's just us. So it feels a little weird, but it's really exciting, and it's unlimited, so you can travel as much as you want, which is really nice. So the card is valid for trains, it's valid for buses, any public transport in Seoul, which makes it very convenient to travel around. Taxis are not very expensive if you compare it to London. It's very convenient as well, but it takes about the same time to reach somewhere, and we like the adventure. So, and we've already paid for the card, so it makes sense to just use public transport wherever convenient. Yeah. I feel like it's because I'm wearing yellow, I'm in a very good mood today, or maybe because it's sunny outside and it's not raining. Weather in Seoul feels quite a lot like London, so it's something we're used to, moody weather, just like my mood swings. So we finally reached the palace. I'm not gonna take the name, I don't want to butcher it. So it up on the screen. Reach the palace, but we'll be trying to find the place where you can rent the hanbok before we enter. So if you try to enter the palace, the fee is £5, roughly £5, and hanbok rental is also roughly £5. If you wear the hanbok, you don't have to pay the entrance fee. So it makes sense to look pretty, right? Like, look cute when you enter the place. So that's what we're gonna do. Just trying to find where it is. So if you're ever traveling to Seoul and you want to go to the palace, you need to check prior to see. Tuesdays it's closed, guys. We reached here, we went for the hanbok rental, and the lady there was like, well, it's closed on Tuesdays, so you can't visit the main palace, but you can go to the others. But you know, the beauty of this place is this one, but it's closed and you can't enter. You just have to see it from outside. So there was no point renting it today and just walking outside. So we told her we'll come back tomorrow, which we're gonna do. So we're thinking of covering everything else today. So we're here at this cafe in Seongsung something. I will put it up. I'm not gonna take any names. Anyway, so we've ordered some yummy looking dessert. Coffee and some pastry and cake. Cannot wait to try it. It has strawberries on it, so let's see. Putting your tripod in the middle of a cafe on the table is the most weirdest thing ever, because everyone's looking here. Begin. Oh, it's like this. It's so good. My next plan is to make business cards with QR codes for my Instagram and YouTube.
Please sponsor.
So every time in public, somebody looks at me weird because I'm recording myself, I'm gonna hand them the card and be like, that's it. So this is what I ordered. It's a classic souffle. It's very hot, no?
Please.
First time Dylan ordered something better than what I ordered. In all the time that we've known each other, this is the first time. Guys, so this is the Soha salt whatever cafe, and we were supposed to go in there. It's very famous for the salt bread. So we thought we'll just take some takeaway and then eat it later. But the line there, I might wait 30 minutes in line in London, but not when I'm traveling. I don't have the patience to stay in line just for a salt bread. So moving on. Cafe was gonna be our second stop, and then we were gonna head to John Rowe Digital, which is like a vintage camera shop that I've heard a lot about. So we're just walking. It's somewhere close by, so we're just walking towards it. Let's see what we find. This makes me feel like it's Mumbai or something. There's one place where they sell like vintage electronics and stuff like that. Chor Bazaar vibes. So I never showed up. We waited there 10 minutes. We don't exactly understand what is the lunchtime. It said on the board it's until 1 o'clock I'm eating when we translated on our phone, but we waited till 1:15 and he wasn't there, so we thought maybe it's like maybe he went to eat at 1 o'clock. We don't know. So we are heading to our next destination, which we don't know. We actually don't know where we're going. We're just going. So we have reached the Namdemun market, and there's underground shopping center, like you can see. We're just trying to cross the road actually and go eat some food, some local cuisine. Let's see. People are mean. I was looking at something and it was in size L, and the store owner just comes to me, "You're not L, you're 2XL." I was like, what? And then she was in fact 2XL. No, he's like, no, this will not fit, and he's not ready to sell that to me. Like, he's like, no, your size is this, not this. You buy this. I was like, well, okay, cool. So I bought something, but sizes are here are different. S is like, I don't know, size 0 or something. Like, it's really weird. Sizing is very, very different from elsewhere. Our food tour with fish cakes. This is like, tastes like squid. Hot, hot.
Oh, this is normal food.
오래 걸리는데 오래 걸리면 기다리실 거면 괜찮아요.
They have unlimited kimchi, pickled radish, onion, and this sauce. And in most restaurants it's like that. That's where it is. The broth thing is not there, no? Has arrived, guys. Please taste tests.
Give me 2 minutes, I need to set up.
Somebody's having real great difficulty eating with chopsticks. You can do it. Do that again.
Biscuit does that.
Dylan does not know how to describe food, you guys. He said this is bland. This is like a nice spicy broth. So flavorful, so good. Feels really healthy, but also tasty at the same time. So we went back to our hotel just to rest for a bit and to charge our phones. And we're out again. We are going to the Ensol Tower. So we currently picked up our tickets and we're heading to the Namsan cable car. From there it takes you to Ensol Tower, and it's currently 6:30 and sunset is like around 7. So hopefully when we're up there, that's when it'll be sunset and it'll be perfect, but let's see. Cable car, and I think the people inside the building are also waiting in line. So that's how long the line is. It's already sunset. We are looking at it from here. Sunset already. I think we'll reach there at night at this point.
12.
Okay, our mistake. People were standing because they hadn't gotten tickets online. They had to book it from the ticket office. We had tickets online, so we didn't have to wait. We wasted 10 minutes waiting in the line. I finally asked him. I was like, hey, no, do we have to wait? Can we just go? He said, no, you don't have to wait. Just go. I was like, oh, okay. We have made it to the viewpoint, but we can even go up to the observatory. I think just trying to see if our ticket allows us to go upstairs. Five hours. I can't even say wasted, right? Because when you're a tourist and like this is the most touristy thing here, I can't say wasted, but we had like 2 other things planned which we had to cancel, and we have only a day and a half here, and tomorrow there's something exciting happening, so we can't cover a lot tomorrow. So honestly, we don't want to miss our bus, and we have to find a place for dinner. Some places are open late and some places close by 10, so depends. We have checked something close to where we're staying which is open till 2, so we're gonna head there. It depends really on which area in Seoul you're staying. Also for your experience of Seoul, there are some places open till really late and really happening neighborhoods, but we chose, it is still central but quite it's quiet. It's a little high-end neighborhood, but I think because of that it also gets quiet really quick. So yeah, so we are out and about again. It's the next day. We are finally going to the palace and the Hanok village because yesterday was closed. So we decided to do other things. The Ensol Tower took forever. We spent at least 4 to 5 hours there because we were waiting in line for the longest time, and then we finally got to go. We saw the night view of the Seoul skyline. It's very beautiful, but we did waste a lot of time there. So we have dressed up in our hanbok, and it's not £5, it was more than that. It was total? No. 58,000 won for about 2 hours. It feels Everybody looks so pretty. Everybody does this. Everyone's wearing the hanbok. So we have finally finished our visit to the palace and the village. It was really beautiful. We took some photos, videos, and we are heading now for lunch. Booked a table at this Michelin Guide restaurant, which is supposed to have only 4 things on their menu, and apparently it's really good. So let's see how that goes. I absolutely love this system, and I almost forgot that they have all the varieties. So that's the beef noodle soup. That's the special beef noodle soup. I don't know what this is, but it's extra. This is our pickled cucumber. Here, pickled anything tastes so good. Can I eat this every day? So we have this, and 2 Cokes. And imagine, and it's a Michelin Guide restaurant. Imagine how much it costs. I'll let you think. It's only £20. Only £20 for all this. Open one in London. After we got back from the restaurant, I just completely passed out. I was so tired. Couldn't do anything. But now we're ready and we're on our way to Coldplay, guys. That was the main reason for coming to Seoul. It's so stupid. This is so silly because they have so many shows in the US, in the UK. Sorry. But we were in the list, like in the wait list for the Seoul one, because we had the pre-sale code, whatever. And Dylan was in the queue for it, and he's like, I was at work and he messages me and he's like, we got the tickets. I said, what? He's like, we got the tickets. I said, okay, we're going to Seoul then. So this is how we sorry for the shaky thing. This is how we very randomly, very impulsively decided to come to Seoul. And yeah, the moment is finally here. We are going to Coldplay. This is my look. So my favorite song from Coldplay is Sky. Why do I keep shaking? This is so chaotic. My favorite song of Coldplay would be Sky Full of Stars, and that's why the makeup, hence the look. Little bits purple, blue, light blue, whatever is happening. And actually I wanted to put different shimmer here, but I don't have that one. I'll put it somewhere. This is what I actually was going for, but I didn't have, so I went with gold. And then we have little stars and shooting stars. Ooh, focus. And if you notice the earrings, they are also very blue and sky themed. The dress is also dark blue. It feels like I'm supporting Williams in this. I could wear this for Saints. We are here. Like, there was a lot of people in the train, right? They were coming here and I was seeing how they were dressed. People dress so casually. I mean, in London, you cannot go to a concert in sweatshirt. I mean, you can, but many people don't choose to do that. But here people are like, isn't it? Hoodies and sweatshirts and things. Nice, comfortable. We are here finally. Oh, cannot believe we are going for Coldplay, that too in a different country. Fun experience. We just got to our room and passed out. I'm still so tired because I think we are still not recovered from our jet lag. But anyway, that's it for Seoul. We are on our way to Busan. Super excited. We only have 2 days in Busan, so let's see how that goes. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.